bass guitar.
How'd you know? You cheated. I already told you. I know. So, this is another Ktaxon kit. I think I said. I think the K is silent. If I'm wrong, somebody please. You can't Google that and figure that one out. Again, $59 for this, the same as the 6 strings. I feel like I'm robbing somebody. This must have came out the back of a truck special. There's no way these can be this cheap. And I can already tell they've already assembled the pick guard. So let's take a look what we get. I like your packaging. The styrofoam's nice because I started thinking about if I ever got to ship anything out, I'm saving these to start making some of the, the padding for it.
Yeah.
Oh, ground string. Okay. At first I was like, what the Oh, sorry, what the heck, sorry. They burnt the hell with the drill when they put that in with the soldering iron. Look at that.
Maybe.
It's not going to show because the bridge is right here.
Right.
But yeah, it's burnt. Okay. Not bad. The edges I got to work on right here and here. Let's look for the seams. I feel like I don't have enough light in here. Right here is a seam. Okay. Just one seam? So it's just... Well, there's a seam there. But so this is 3 pieces. Okay. This is kind of usually how I'll see a kit body is 3 pieces.
Yeah.
This is a good one for painting too because, the seams don't matter.
Right.
Or if we were, staining it.
Keeping it naked.
Okay, well, let's pull that off. I need to get you a bag for the screws. We'll take a look at that, then we'll take a look at the rest of these here.
Okay. I couldn't think of anything clever to say when you asked me to guess. I was like, good.
Well, what did you think it was going to be? Like, it's a karaoke machine.
Yeah. Not really wittier than that, though. My brain just like flatlined.
I remember the day when getting a karaoke machine was cool, and then it became the Christmas gift you give somebody when you don't know what the hell to give them.
Karaoke's fun, man. Can't go wrong with a karaoke machine.
It's fun to watch. I've always said the amount of alcohol it would take me to get up in a bar and do karaoke is the same amount of alcohol that would render me incapable of doing it. So I think I may not have any of those YouTube moments or Facebook moments. Okay. This is an 11-hole pick guard. A normal P-base pick guard is 13, so that's already going to be different. This is not going to be interchangeable with factory parts, FYI. Okay, there's that. Oh, look at that. Okay, unscrew those. Those are screwed into the body. Let's go ahead and pull this. Yeah, okay, good, it's got that. We can get that back through, right? Okay. Gotta make sure. I don't want that to be a one-way trip. I can pretty much guess the screw holes for the pick guard were in right because the pick guard was on. So with the little boo-boo there we had with the other Ktaxon kit that I still got to fix with the tuner holes, 2 of them being off. Cosmetic only, no, not a functional problem. It just doesn't look right.
Springs.
Okay, let's put those springs in here, or those are going to get lost. I got replacements of those, but I'd rather not use them. Look at that, they got a little, I guess it's for spacing. So, all right, these are ceramic pickups. They're not the Alnikov or the rare earth stuff. So these are the lower output ones, as I expected. But okay, we'll measure the pickup on those in a minute. Let's take a look. And pull those out. Let's make sure they look good and make sure they work. And by the way, they started giving Ziploc bags. They must have watched one of my videos.
Solid advice.
Yeah.
You should do that. That's funny.
Okay, yeah, pretty standard.
These are cool.
Yeah, they're freaking huge, aren't they?
Yeah.
All right, let's just make sure these screw holes are going to be lined up. I don't want to get into all the finishing and then find out I got to drill something. No, those look good. Okay. That's pretty basic. If I was to say what was the first part of the upgrade of the hardware they gave me, I'd put a better bridge with better saddles on it. Higher. Those are pretty cheap.
Okay.
Yeah. The nice thing is like a $25 upgrade. This would actually be very upgradable with the pickups, and this is going to be standard P-bass style everything from here on out. Just the pick art's different. Let's see how these. Oh, these keys, these are huge.
They're huge.
God dang, they're even bigger than the other one I got on the wall, which I'll pull down and we'll do a comparison here real quick. But yeah, these are like the authentic style. They feel worm gear. They feel like they're going to turn well. Okay, let's put them back in the bag. I have no idea what brand of strings they are. I'm going to guess these are probably 105s as far as gauge, just looking at them. I don't know yet. Neck plate and standard, nothing fancy. Neck screws. Very thin cable and probably some of the worst straps I've ever seen in my life, but they're free. Oh, and they give you a pick.
And it's yellow.
It's yellow, yeah. These are the stocking stuffers.
Yeah.
That you give, yeah. By the way, this is actually going to be a Christmas present for somebody. And they want us to give it to them as a blank canvas because they're going to do their own little, like a Starry Night design type of thing on it. So it's going to be like a dark black blue. That's what we're going to go for.
Yep.
Okay.
Also,
Let's put this back.
You want this in there? It was under the...
Oh, yeah, it was...
protecting.
This is the one difference I noticed between the Ktaxon kits and the Beck's Gears. Was it right? I keep wanting to say the wrong name thing. They don't have that. It's just basically keeps it from scratching.
Yeah.
But by the time you put them in and you intonate it and you turn these saddles up and down, you've already scratched it. Let's measure these pickups. There's the multi-tester. So real quick. So this is LTD's version of the same thing. This is probably about a $350 guitar with $100 pickups added to it. These are EMG add-ons that they put on. These I've already measured the resistance of. They're 10K ohms. And so just let me get out of the way of my own cameras here. Turn this side one on here. I'll give a little explanation here so everybody can understand what the difference is that don't know. So normally, well, there's not even normally, really. So you would look at this and go, that's like guitar humbuckers. That's what it looks like. Well, they're not. These are actually single coil, just like on the Strats.
Okay. So
what they do is it's actually a single coil design. These are wired in series, so they act as one. But what they do is they basically place the strings right in the middle of the pole pieces. And what that does, that's allow you to do things like slap bass, hitting heavy with the thumb, and bending those strings, and you don't lose any tone coming through by moving the string away from the pole piece. So these types of basses are a good, punchy, loud bass that you can do a lot with.
Okay.
So let's see. Knowing that these are wired in series, and this should all measure as one. Which is going to be all the way up, I think. That's volume. Black round, and do your red right there. So just do the black right on top, and then red right there. Let's keep moving. Go the middle one there. Let's do it again. Let me make sure I got the pocket in the right direction. Oh, yeah. Okay, that was zeroed out. Okay.
I can't see where it's supposed to be.
Let me try it. $8.6K. No, 0.086K. What? No, it's hold on. I'm on the wrong side. I'm already sweating in here. Good Lord. It's October what?
27th.
So 8.67K. That's actually a lot more than I thought they were going to be.
Really?
Those are 10K. So, wow, I'm actually kind of impressed. Okay, that was unexpected. I figured maybe 5K at best.
Nice.
So, okay, those actually will probably keep its first user for a while.
Nice.
Okay, let me go put this bad boy away. It's so long, it doesn't quite fit. I should have put it up a little bit higher. Okay, so.
Whoa.
That's a hunk of wood.
Have you looked at this thing?
Well, I got a couple of bases, but I can't say I've ever actually had the parts separate. I can say when you do a lot of 6 strings, when you get a big one in your hand, you know.
This thing's huge. It's a nice thick piece of wood here.
It's a stretcher because going from like 1st to 3rd frets, even with my big fingers, that's hard. That's maple, by the way. And this is mahogany.
Maple and mahogany.
Do you suffer from the embarrassment of showing the incorrect amount of cleavage for the situation at hand? Well, you're in luck. Introducing the Cleavage Dipstick, ensuring you have just the right cleavage at all times. Simply use the Cleavage Dipstick to gauge your exposure and adjust your wardrobe as needed.
The Cleavage Dipstick. Accept no substitutes.
This build was for a bassist who's going to do a custom hand-painted galaxy theme.
I gave it a midnight blue finish with the flake overspray to use as a blank canvas.
When she's done with her artwork, we will seal it with acrylic lacquer.
And finish the assembly and give it a good play test too. Thanks for watching.
And please, free up a hand to hit like and subscribe. These directions are dirty.
They are? Well, let's read them out loud. The camera's on. We'll have a dramatic reading of the directions.